Wow. Cooking dry rice. Cooking small little dry rice. Want to go in the bush. Yeah. Oh man, I want to cook along with you. I can cook more than you. Hey folks, you see how Lufagane is like? You see the corn? You see another one? You know, you just roast it, just eat it. When you sleep there, we don't want it again, right? You can eat it when you sleep there? Yeah, no. Stay corn, you can eat it. When you break corn today, you sleep. You can say, you see that? This make it eat it because you know you're in a bush. So you know that, yeah, is there enough? All right, folks, if you are just new to our YouTube channel, kindly consider subscribing. We are coming live from this village. What's the name of the village? Robauta. Okay, Robauta. Robauta is a village situated in Lofa County, Vonjima District. We are going to Lesco. Okay, you're going to see that road where that bag is. Okay, we are away from Lesco, but the bag is facing Ologisi Mountain Road, so I'm not going there. We just leave from there. All right. So there's a small little village in Vonjima District, Lofa County. Now you see the cocoa and the coffee, very organic, and you know I love my organic stuffs. See the coffee, yeah. See the coffee, bro. Yes, look at it. Just look at this coffee. Just look at it. Look at it. Yeah. Oh, that's pig. That's pig. Oh man, what you say? Hey, what's up? What's up? Okay. Alright folks, so if you are just new to our YouTube channel, can you consider subscribing to our YouTube channel? I don't know how many families in this village here. They've got a small little settlement, and I believe they just live by farming here. And I'm saying this place is for Kana. Pankana inside here, right? Yeah. Okay, this place, this is a Kana storage. Yeah, Pankana. So they have a Kana machine here? No. Oh, you can bounce it to Visa to Zumo. Okay. Folks, this is a village, Robauta. Robauta is a small settlement. This one, this is how my house is like in Johnston. Okay, I adopt my house the same way how we did it. In a village in Johnston, Brother Sherry house is like this. Yeah. You see this form. That particular house I always show to you guys. I adopt it in this way. Yeah. How we apply it and we dub it. But this is kitchen, and I believe they are using this for storage. So 1, 2. All right, so this is a village. This is Golfa here. So if you are just new to my YouTube channel, folks, kindly consider subscribing to Brother Sheriff. I want to know how this village, small settlement like this, how it came about. Yeah, how the people here decided to settle here, because they are distant. They are a bit distant from Vonjama, honestly. A bit distant. I don't know how much they pay from here to Vonjama. I don't really know. From here to Vonjama, how much I can pay? If you have to go to Vonjama? $500 to come here. $500 to come here. To come and go 1,000. So that's roughly $5. Yeah, so technically I was like asking you the small history about this village. Look at okra. Look at how the okra growing. Everything just here get green, very fresh. Huh?
My name is Joseph Kwebili.
Okay. Nice meeting you.
I'm from this village here. We call it Robauta. I'm grandson. Yeah. So I wake up and see my grandfather then here. The first man, they need to call him Kwebili. Grawebili. Then the second they call him Galave. The third they call him Sewido. Now they are area on this side where you see la orange tree standing. That's where they were saying now.
Okay.
Then cutting from here now going so. Yeah. You need to call the Oma Kutukoru.
Okay, let's go there. Let's be lecturing if you go in there. The place was sitting.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. La Kutukoru une land going so.
Okay.
Then here now going, they be down there.
Yeah.
The lake Pape Dakla.
Dakla.
Yeah, like he was saying that it was formerly
Okay.
What you see like one tree.
Yeah.
La palm tree.
This palm tree.
La yeah.
Now one palm tree this thing.
Yeah, there were Komazobo was saying now when you say rubber we hear one open la play there his son was Zobo.
Zobo.
Yeah, so la play but cutting from what and I come here the legacy rubber water.
Rubber water.
Yeah, but we have a demarcation between it.
Okay. Okay.
Then cutting from here now again when you go on it's a small. I'll play and call it area Queblita. La Oma Nise there.
Oh, Koiblita.
Yeah, Queblita.
Oh, Ellen, it's like they have two Koiblita, right?
Yeah.
One Koiblita is. Yeah. So I'm shocked that they have Koiblita on this road.
Dans les villages, when you hear about Queblita, Queblita, dans les villages were here now.
Okay.
So after the walking, they bring the play. So we draw the village, start the road now. All we sit down here.
Okay.
Can open the play now.
Okay. So at first the village was here.
Yeah.
So now the war brought it down.
Yeah.
So right after the war now, so you put the start there, dressing, coming to the road.
Yeah.
Okay.
But la two ni la li to call Woba Uta Queblita. So we get compare everything we say Woba Uta.
Okay. Koiblita.
Yeah.
Rubber water.
Yeah.
And one family now.
Yeah.
So I can make it one
So
time.
when you see la Martin over there, la hill la see.
Yeah, no good. So let's see what camera will see here. Folks, just stay tuned. I'm not going to enjoy my ball cooking dry. I'm not going on. I will stay here. No, how many men? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 men. One more. So 4 men, 1 call. You were like showing me. Okay.
And you see la hill.
This hill.
The corner area. Jembagizi.
The one here. This one. This hill.
Jembagizi ba.
Jemba.
Jembagizi. Now the new of that area before, but our war break that people there way back. So they run away.
People are living up there?
Yes, people are there living. When you go there, great in there, you see, you know, where you need to a husband and everything there.
So you mean up there, people are living up there?
Yeah.
They get some old grave in there?
There.
But they got a road to go there?
Hey, but they stay now. Hey, you see, la here again. You call that area, Zimmerman Kaza, La Hill. When you go there,
this one?
Grave there.
The one looking?
Yeah, the husband and everything there. Over there.
Up there, where you seeing that BB trees?
Yeah, Zimmerman Kaza. Then when you go
Zimmerman Kaza,
yeah,
that's Loma, right?
Yeah. Zimmerman Kaza, la Loma town way by.
Zimmerman Kaza. You got meaning?
Zimmerman Kaza.
What's the meaning, Ellie?
Yeah, Zimmerman.
What the Kaza mean,
yeah.
So the Zimmerman and the Atabu, what they are,
Yeah.
Okay.
La Loelle can say, Beavogi.
Beavogi.
Zimmerman. But he saw a dad Zimmerman.
Yes, Menigi, yes. I know Menigi. In Guinea, they are in Guinea.
but I ain't a Zimmerman, I ain't.
Yeah, yeah.
So, la what tabu there? We like here say talking to you la day. La what tabu there?
Wow.
So la can we say we from the area that the meeting there.
Okay. So the meat founder of this place, probably they get Kode mine here, right?
Kode me on this side.
Oh, Kode mine. So which of the village here so?
La movement what?
Oh, Movi mine.
Yeah, la
okay.
movement.
So I was thinking that probably the pape here from Movi mine and come along the road here.
No, all we are born citizens from Zewadamine.
Oh, from Zodamine.
Zewadamine la the area we from. But la have some history about the area here that here was saying now.
Right up there.
Yeah. Then from over there you go to Zimmerman Kaza. Then they left from what again? Say the war giving a heart again Latin. They left from what the then you go to Zimmerman. When you go small again, we see so a before here again.
Yeah, yeah.
So there when I was again. After so Latin happened to them again was carrying.
So who are those people that were actually?
La waiting to tell.
Yeah, because those people, you know, people. What I understand, even in the Boni region,
yeah.
If you see any town up the hill,
Yeah.
they are there for a reason.
Yeah.
Especially from Mother home did super.
Yeah.
The town is up the hill.
Yeah.
So my grandpa used to tell me that the reason why they put a town on the hill is that when people coming, you will live up the hill and see them. When your enemy coming to attack you.
Yeah.
So that the reason why they need to put a town on the hill.
I know several times like that.
Yeah.
So the people they will settle up the hill because those days they got
Even
kings,
Togo,
they got warriors.
Yeah.
You understand? So if you controlling this region, so you set up the hill that in case somebody is coming after you, you'll be able to, because you up, you got strength. The men who down don't have much strength, right? Okay, so I believe that I had to put sitting up here.
They say need to be what when you see enemy coming, you need to push the rock on it.
Okay, I see.
That rock need to be happy now. So when you go small, you will see a BB right there on the road, but it not reach now.
Oh yeah, I saw the bossing rack somewhere here.
Yeah. Starting from one now going so loud, so rock on it. But you need to push that rock on it. So they say that but still they not make it. So that's how you need to do. So more time around all year. And you see la area is la hill.
Yeah, this one here.
Yeah,
this here.
long here.
Yeah.
They call that area Tanagisiga. Tanagisiga. When you go there, the horsepower in there, grade in there. You know, la long story there, you know, and way back. And I even lay out on it. But the one like you need to be telling all, I'm trying to say.
Okay.
I took kakati tree over there. You what I'm seeing about forest over there. Yeah, cutting tree there. They hold a father and his son. They call his son through on his father
lap.
Then they tell father they call it through again on his son lap again.
Oh.
So two of them after they kill them, they put put one person in one hole, then they put the paper in one hole again. After they finish, they put a catty tree on their hill. So la two catty tree like there, they call them Zama in Loma. I finish on you.
Oh, Zama.
Yeah, Zama. Geya Gaima.
Yeah, okay, Geya Gaima. Yeah.
So la two cutting tree like there, so sometimes can read. You will not see no death around it. The area can be clean.
They can't this was standing there?
It's telling the la two cutting tree. And when you go there, men are some certain time when you go there, you not men, you will not go around that area. Because the sun you can be hearing.
In the night.
Yeah.
It's too fearful.
Go there, yeah.
So at times if you go in there like that, sometimes a bike can creep in the night.
If you not mess like the way we looking here, you will not go there. Because the area can be fearful, hearing some different sound. Yeah, 2 hours on this side now, you can't get talking about that area fearful. So like all a cutting tree like there. So like what I know about the area here.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. We appreciate it. We appreciate your time. Folks, that's a beautiful story about this village.
Yeah.
Robauta. Robauta. This is small little settlement. How many family here live here?
Like yeah, so with all your B sister, brother, our man, no different person among all here.
Okay, one family here.
One family.
Wow.
I get a head and sometimes my brother and woman. They ask any my woman. They my B sister.
Wow.
Again, one family can be here.
Yeah.
Again, one family early.
We call again. We will see women here, women, you know.
Living like that.
Yeah. So like how can we get kicking? We say, hey, you see the machine here. No different politics can bring here. We like here. We made it fine. We put it.
That's the rest, man.
Inside, yeah. Be the rest.
No, thank you so much, man. We appreciate it.
Different politics more. Yeah.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much, brother. It is nice being with you today. You know, at least getting the story of your village and the war. Not only me, not only Liberia. The war. I'm taking your village to another level. You know, I want for the war to see your village, to see how peaceful people been living here. You know, because the inheritance, your father, from your grandfather to your father to you, and then you stay settled down here right after the war. Even though the war came and demolished the first settlement, and then you brought it before.
On the road.
Okay, on the road. So now, at least, and you are close to the road, and the road is now passing straight from Zodama, right?
Zodama to Ogisi Mati. We don't want to say that to a more junction here. They call it play Robauta.
Robauta.
Yeah,
just right where the movement. So right now, pretty soon, you start benefiting because you're very close to the road, and when they start Ogisi mountain process now.
Man, coming on this side. They can be talking. Motorman, this school will draw all of them on this side.
Okay, to dress them.
Yeah. Then when you can't low have and large, leg, my man, yeah.